Sir, good morning. Thakur sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर.
How are you?
आई एम फाइन सर. आप बताइए.
सर थोड़ा आपका स्क्रीन नीचे लीजिए क्योंकि आपका फेस कट हो रहा है थोड़ा, या तो नजदीक लाइए. हाँ हाँ, दिस इज गुड, दिस इज परफेक्ट.
क्या और नीचे करूं?
नहीं नहीं, बस 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 बस,
Looking
दिस इज
fresh.
परफेक्ट. हाँ
लुकिंग फ्रेश बोला.
हाँ.
यस सर.
गुड. अभी मोनिशा मैडम तो है, आई थिंक विजय पाटिल सर आने हैं.
गुड
Good morning, everybody. Good morning. How
गुड
are you?
मॉर्निंग.
आई एम फाइन मैम. व्हाट अबाउट यू?
Good. How's the situation in Belgaum, sir? Everything okay?
Situation here, it is like COVID cases are almost on average of 400 to 500 cases per day.
Oh,
Because the district is very
Okay.
big, na? Because of the
Yeah,
area.
yeah. And closer to Maharashtra also.
Yes. Maharashtra, Goa both.
Yeah.
while operating you have to take lot of care, ना? अभी जो जैसे
Maximum we are trying to avoid all contact. Is that maximum we are trying to do work over the phone only. Things are getting delayed. Overheads are little more, but trying to manage. अभी जैसे तैसे करके 3 months we have to remove.
हाँ, अब वैक्सीन कब आएगा पता नहीं है. अभी तो स्टॉप कर दिए वैक्सीन का, पता नहीं.
हाँ वही वो वाला अभी सीरम वाला तो स्टॉप कर दिया है. इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट.
ये पाटिल साहब को फोन करे क्या? अभी तो सवेरे बात की थी मैंने. पाटिल साहब, ठाकुर साहब, पाटिल साहब विल टॉक ओनली इन मराठी.
नो प्रॉब्लम. मैंने बेलगाम में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है सर. वी हैव नो इश्यूज सर.
हाँ हाँ वही है. तो नहीं, आप तो कंफर्टेबल हो मतलब.
यस सर. नो इश्यू.
हाँ, पाटिल साहब इज आल्सो कनेक्टिंग नाउ.
यस सर.
ही इज आल्सो देयर.
टोटल कितना नंबर हो गया सर रजिस्टर्ड?
रजिस्ट्रेशन अराउंड 140 के करीब गए थे. तो अभी कितने लोग
ज्वाइन करेंगे उसके ऊपर डिपेंड कर रहा है.
हाँ, कितने लोग ज्वाइन होते हैं वो भी डिपेंड होता है, बट ठीक है. आई मीन वी आर अटेम्प्टिंग. तो
मैं फोन करके मेरे से कांटेक्ट.
पाटिल साहब नमस्कार.
नमस्कार.
नमस्कार
नमस्कार नमस्कार.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर.
Namaskar, sir.
नमस्कार.
तर पाटील साहेब तुमच्या सगळ्या कॉन्टॅक्टांनी म्हणजे जॉईन होतील ना ते मोस्टली?
बहुतेक होतील. बहुतेक आम्ही फोन करून पण सांगितलंय.
हा,
बघू काय करतात.
बरोबर. हा, ते
रिमाइंडर देतो सर.
कसं आहे कुंदन,
हा
त्यांना त्या पुरातन ब्रिजच्या बद्दल उत्सुकता आहे.
हा,
ते जॉईन करतील.
बरोबर आहे. बरोबर, ते तर खरी गोष्ट आहे.
हो.
मैं सबको रिमाइंडर भेज रहा हूँ अगेन वंस अगेन.
हाँ हाँ, हम भी वही हैं.
यस सर.
बराबर है, प्लीज ज्वाइन करके. हाँ
यस रिमाइंडर करके डाल रहा हूँ.
कुंदन, just before that, can everyone ensure कि नेम सही है ना? नाम सही से आ रहा है सबका. मैंने एडिट कर दिया. अगर कुछ चेंजेस तो अभी बता दो, है ना?
हाँ आणि बराबर.
बेळगाववरून काय रजिस्ट्रेशन आलंय का तुमच्याकडं?
काय आलंय का?
बेळगाववरून कोण रजिस्टर केले काय?
हो, बेळगाववरनं केलंय ना रजिस्ट्रेशन.
नाही, बाकीच्यांनी काय तुम्ही जसं त्या ह्याच्यात पॅम्पलेट मध्ये घातलेला आहात रजिस्टर नाव म्हणून,
हा,
तसं कोण म्हणजे आलेच काय असं होतं तुमच्याकडे? रजिस्टर नोंद आली काय? नोंद?
हो हो, नोंद येते ना, सगळ्याच यांची येते.
अच्छा.
एक्झॅक्ट सगळं कोण आहे, नाव, त्यांचे ऍड्रेस, ईमेल ऍड्रेस सगळं नोंद येणार.
बरोबर.
चांगलंय. सो 7 मिनिटं राहिली आहेत. ठाकुर साहेब, अगस्त है ना कंपनी? आई विल चेंज इट.
प्राइवेट लिमिटेड.
हाँ,
नंतर करता. वेबिनार में हूँ 12:30 तक, बाद में कॉल करूँ? तो सिर्फ 12:30 के बाद में आ जाओ। मैं एक वेबिनार में हूँ कॉन्फ्रेंस में, तो 12:30 बजे खत्म होएगा, बाद में।
So should we start exactly at 11:30?
No problem, man.
Where did Kundan disappear? Kundan ji, up hai?
Sir is not visible. मेन एड्रेस करेगा बेल लगाना है कैमरा वाली। मेन एड्रेस है मतलब रेड तो बेल लगाना है कैमरा वाली। एब्सोल्युटली वो तो बटन दिला है बेटर एकदम दी।
आदर्श आपको स्क्रीन शेयरिंग एनेबल करो।
Yes, Kundan.
होस्ट डिसेबल्ड पार्टिसिपेंट स्क्रीन शेयरिंग।
Yeah.
Okay. We start in 3 minutes.
Yes, countdown starts.
Yeah, I think we have few people who have joined.
Okay, can we see? Okay, oh, 16 participants have already joined.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Good.
it's actually started. So let me start. Everybody can
What has
hear.
started? What has started?
People are already in the group. So let me start.
Okay, but 11:30 को चलो।
Two more minutes.
प्रदीप को दे दो।
Shall we start?
Yes. Best luck, everybody.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's webinar on trends in building envelope and advanced session on clay walling solutions brought to you by Wienerberger India. Before we start, a few important points. This is an hour-long webinar and we welcome questions from the participants and attendees. There is a Q&A section at the end of your panel. You'll see a Q&A button there. You can ask questions to the panelists and speakers, which will be announced, which will be addressed at the end of the webinar. We would like to welcome our esteemed panelists today, Mr. Raj Thakur Rajpurohit from Agastya Nirman, Mr. Vijay Patil from Vishal Infrabuild Limited. Good morning and welcome to the session.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Let me introduce our speakers today. Our speaker, Mr. Kundan Dige, is from Wienerberger, India. He's a civil engineer and MBA with 16 to 17 years of experience in the building material space. He's been in Wienerberger, India for 11 years, and he's been instrumental in developing innovative products in this space. Over to you, Kundan.
Thank you, Monisha. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Belgaum, Hubli, Dharwad. Namaskar, सगळ्यांना. आणि we look forward for your active participation. The purpose of this webinar, the topic of this webinar was selected so that we could actually try to address the current challenges in construction industry, and by offering a innovative as well as intelligent walling material which is out of clay. Clay is very natural walling material. Trends in building envelope, an advanced session on clay walling solutions is what is the topic of the webinar today. So let's quickly have a look at it. I currently stop my video. So this is the brief agenda. As the webinar proceeds, we would certainly have addressed all the points which are mentioned on the agenda. We would like to address all of them and elaborate them as well as and where required. We certainly welcome question and answers from audience, which can be, as mentioned earlier by my colleague Monisha, it can be typed in the chat session. We also welcome heartfully the suggestions which you have for us for this particular region, which is Northern Karnataka region. What does a constituents of a building envelope include? What is building envelope? Building envelope includes roof, walls and windows, doors, etc. But what is the function of this particular building envelope? It plays a very important role as far as functions are concerned. It should keep the heat away from the indoors. The outside heat should be kept away. The outside rain should be kept away efficiently. It should form a physical barrier between exterior and interior of the house, and it should protect the inhabitants staying within the house. Trends in building material. What are the options available as far as walling materials are concerned? We have conventional clay blocks. We have concrete blocks which can be solid, which can be hollow as well. We have comparatively new entrant cement-based lightweight block, AAC blocks, or double AC blocks, which are also referred as. Those are lightweight in as far as weights are concerned. Clay hollow blocks. Clay hollow blocks, which are popularly known as Porotham all across, manufactured by Wienerberger. So what would be the walling materials and its solution? It should form construction and it should be cost effective. It should provide ease of construction, durability, healthy living. So what would be the typical common characteristics of a high performance walling material? What is expected out of material by all of us? It should be quality as well. It should stand for its quality. It should be easily available in the market for use, readily use. It should be user friendly, because we have to think of the masons also who are going to build the walls. It should be user friendly. It should be durable for long term, because walls are not constructed periodically. It's constructed once and it remains there till the life of the building. Natural, it should be green. So that means it should be sustainable as far as green aspect of the wall is concerned. Most importantly, it should be cost effective and it should be productive to give faster performing efficient walls. What happens if there is not a right walling material what we chose? What happens? What is the resultant of it? It leads to shrinkage cracks. It leads to excessive water absorption, which will spoil the indoors of the house, and crack occurrence on the walls, which is evident, which we must have experienced or seen some point of time. That's purely because of wrong choice of walling material. Let's quickly have an assessment done. Water is the most important resource. We all need it at all point of time. But if we look from a building perspective, building point of view, water also becomes the most important culprit to spoil or to lead to lot of maintenance work onto the house if excessive water ingress is allowed within the house or within the premise, within the building. So we have quickly compared the amount of water absorption which each type of walling material today available in the market exhibits. We start from clay, conventional clay bricks, solid concrete blocks, AAC, hollow concrete blocks, and clay hollow bricks. If we see in absolute terms the amount of water in terms of liters that can be accommodated in the volume of a block, for clay brick, it's close to 0.28 when it comes to small clay brick, but when we put it to the size of equivalent size to a block, it is 2.5 liters. Concrete block, 0.8 liters. AC block, excessive water absorption, which has been observed, 5.25 liters. Brick, it has a water absorption as less as 50% of all other water absorptions, around 1.5 to 1.6 liters. So that's a good sign that a water absorption is very less. It does not allow a lot of water ingress within the house. Second most important parameter would be the strength of the walling material. So when tested, these all are test results for all conventional walling, walling materials, which is like conventional clay bricks, solid concrete blocks, AAC blocks, hollow concrete block, and clay hollow blocks. The absolute strength which a brick can take or a block can take is also listed onto the last column. Around 7,000 kgs which a clay brick can take, a UDL, uniformly distributed load, of course. Concrete block around 26,000 kgs. AC block 33,000 kgs. But a clay hollow block which is having a 90 kg per square centimeter of the strength, it can take 72,000 kg. So in spite of it being hollow, it is very strong. It is very sturdy. It can take lot of load or a lot of weight onto it. Let's see clay material of choice for building envelope. Why clay should be a building material choice for envelope? You see the facade, this is purely out of clay. Clay has been preferred material of choice for centuries today. We all have seen big time and quite famous monuments within India, outside India, which are built out of clay. Technology and better know-how has helped in making clay an ideal material for use. Clay helps regulate temperatures, make indoors cool and healthy. It's very low on water absorption. Even if there is water absorption, clay also exhibits very fast drying. High in strength, as we have already seen some part of it, the strength part of it. Clay bricks, when burnt at right temperature, they show minimal or zero shrinkage, no shrinkage cracks. Once fired at high temperature, it has very less amount of shrinkage. Let's see what are the solutions for efficient construction practices today. Choice of intelligent material which can perform, which can deliver, not only for walling, but for all other factors within the building as well. Labor management is very important. We have to revisit the productive standards. How can we enhance productivity amongst the available labor? The new technologies, innovative technologies which are coming up, the new construction methods which are being innovated and brought to the market, available in the market on daily basis. Stricter controls on processes to eliminate inefficiencies. eliminate losses due to wastages, and increase accountability amongst the walling material. Let's quickly introduce Porotham. Porotham is a walling material which stands for quality and which also stands for smart bricks. What is smart today? Everything that delivers much higher than what is expected out of it is called smart. We call somebody a smart guy because he or she would deliver much more than what is expected out of them. That's exactly what runs for smart bricks. Today we have clay hollow bricks, Porotham HP, Porotham VP, which are load bearing bricks, Porotham thermo brick, which is a thermal insulated brick which can give you very high efficiency as far as keeping the heat away and keeping the indoors cool and comfortable. The advantages of Porotham: it is green, it is thermal insulating, high on thermal insulation, it is very high on acoustic insulation, strong and sturdy, stable material, no shrinkage cracks, less absorption, quality and longevity. It is very highly cost efficient as well. The strength table we have already visited, but just to have a re-glance at it, the amount of strength and the difference. I mean, Porotham VP load bearing block can give you 10 times more strength than a conventional clay brick, close to 10 times more. Can Porotham walls be exposed? Some common apprehensions, common questions, common doubts within the minds of the people. Can Porotham walls be exposed? Yes, they can be exposed. It looks beautiful. We have already seen one facade onto the screen on one of my early slides where it was a clay facade. Residential buildings which use exposed walling masonry, a bungalow, all types of buildings, high-rise building, a bungalow, a school building. We see house interiors. Several people have that, how do we install a cabinet or a TV or a LCD, etc. or kitchen cabinets. We see the house interiors which are made out of Porotham. A place of worship, which is also completely with Porotham clay hollow bricks. How easy is Porotham to use? Porotham masonry is very similar to conventional masonry. Let's not look at it that it requires a lot of skills and skill sets and trainings and etc. It's very similar to conventional walling masonry. No special skills required. Moreover, Wienerberger will certainly assist all of them for all of the construction sites for conducting trainings and to guide people in quality at the site by reducing the wastages. Porotham is light. It facilitates saving in structural cost. It optimizes the dead loads. It optimizes the design of the structure. It encourages faster and more productive work. Just to provide some figures, one mason team, when I say one mason team, it's one mason and one helper with him, along with him, can construct close to 12 square meter of wall area in a day, which is recorded as the fastest wall construction with masonry in currently available walling materials, which is equivalent to around 130 to 140 Porotham bricks which can be placed. Demands less mortar, saves cement and sand. Masonry tool which is also available with Wienerberger, which can save 100% of the wastage when it comes to mortar which is used. Cutting of bricks, you see small pieces also cut with within Porotham, which is certainly a lot of saving which will achieve at the site, less debris which will be generated from the site, and no wastage of money or resources. Conduiting, which is very much possible. Here what we have put onto the slide is actually the site pictures itself, because that becomes seeing is believing. What we believe in is seeing is believing. So let's see how it happens. Concealed stiffener bands can be included. You don't require separate shuttering. You save on concrete. Stiffener bands wherever only in 4 inches you require a stiffener band at mid height level. It can be constructed within Porotham. Lintels can be casted with Porotham. Is building with Porotam economical? Most of you would have that question today. Yes, it is economical when you consider all the aspects of the building construction. Building construction, if I consider for building construction fraternity, less lead and labor, optimizes or saves in structural cost, faster construction, high on productivity, saves plaster cost. If I look from house dwellers point of view, or the people who are going to stay in that house from that point of view, provides natural and healthy living, saves electricity. It's very, very evident that the amount of electricity saved by using Porotam as a walling material is undisputably high. Low on maintenance, suits the weather with great adaptability properties. Clay can adapt as per the weather outside, which is very, very important for a healthy and natural living. We have done a study on a basement ground plus 12 structure, which is a residential building. It was RCC frame building. We compared using concrete blocks versus Porotam clay hollow blocks. Amount of saving was close to 7 to 8%, which we could save onto the structural cost of the building. What does it translate into INR per square feet? It translates close to 52 rupees in INR per square feet. It translates 52 rupees INR per square feet savings. That's the amount of savings one can bring into the building once built with lightweight Porotam clay hollow blocks. The RETV study I just mentioned about thermal insulation. So RETV consideration, or the RETV study which we considered, what does it consider? It considers heat gain from walls, heat gain from glass, heat gain by window shading, and put together cumulatively it gives you RETV value in watt meter square. We have considered different walling system, and RCC wall, single clear glazing, no shading of windows. The RETV, which is in the last table, which was 27 watt per meter square. That much amount of heat was coming in within the building from the walls, the windows, the glass which was used onto the windows, the openings. The next change in scenario 2 we did is we provided proper shading to the windows, and the amount of heat which could reduce coming into the house was around 5 watt per meter square, which came down from 27 to 22. Then we changed the walls, keeping all other things similar or same. We changed the walls using clay hollow bricks made of Porotam. Porotam clay hollow bricks made of clay with U value 0.96 watt per meter square Kelvin. U value is an important value which will tell you how much heat it can eradicate, or it can keep outside it can restrict from coming inside the house. You see the difference or the improvisation into the RETV value. From 27 it came to 10.5. That much of heat can be deducted or reduced from coming within the house. What happens if we use a material with high heat ingress, which is like 27? We will use more of air conditioners in our house. We will spend more on electricity cost. If we reduce that in our construction practices itself, there is high possibility that we can avoid air conditioners being used and live a very healthy and natural living. You see the difference how, that's what is highlighted. So using Porotam Thermobrick or Porotam HP, a building built in Bangalore, which falls under temperate climate zone, Hyderabad composite climate zone, Chennai warm and humid climate zone, Cochin warm and humid climate zone. All the places wherever you built a building using Porotam, it would be RETV positive. Positive in the sense it will be RETV compliant. It will give you a RETV value less than 15. That is what is the compliance rating. Use of concrete blocks, RCC shear walls, it will be higher, and you will have to use more of air conditioning for indoors to keep indoors comfortable and easy to work with. not only the studies or not only the the studies are of course on the actual buildings what we have conducted, but we have also measured the apartments. How much can be the heat reduction from outdoor to indoor without any air conditioner used by just using a clay hollow brick which is Porotham made. Concrete block, you see the difference at different times. Temperature recorded at 11 AM. The difference is close to 7 degrees Celsius. Temperature at 4 PM, almost the same, almost the same. At 7 PM, inside is hotter. This is a concrete block residential dwelling. Please note, this is a concrete block residential dwelling. The inside becomes hotter in the evening when outside is much pleasant. Hence, we also plotted a graph. The red line on the graph shows you the ambient temperature, that is the outside temperature, how it is varying. The yellow line is Porotham walls, the gray line is concrete buildings. You see, initially there is a very steep and good amount of increase as far as concrete block is concerned within the house, whereas Porotham restricts the increase within the house. It restricts it to 27 degrees Celsius. And as soon as it's 3 PM or 4 PM, it starts dropping drastically to give you comfortable indoor climates within the house. That's how a clay hollow brick will regulate the temperature and make living comfortable and natural. All these products are Griha rated as well, IGBC rated as well as Griha rated. You see the certificate which is like given by Griha Council for Wienerberger for Porotham bricks, which are being manufactured as, branded as Porotham bricks. Let's hear from the experts. Here I would like to call upon one of our panelists now, Mr. Vijay Patil. He is the chairman and managing director of Vishal Infra Build in Belgavi. He is operating in this company as well as in this business. He's running this business since 1997. He has built the first high-rise building, which was 10 stories in Belgavi, residential apartment. Today, he has within his name several high-rise buildings which are built using different kind of innovative technologies. Today, he is constructing Sky City homes with Porotham bricks. Let's hear from him what has been his experience. Important to mention, CREDAI has awarded his projects the best villas and row house in 2010 for Sanskruti Palms, the project which he has already completed in the year 2010. Patil Sahib, namaskar. Vijay Patil Sahib.
नमस्कार.
नमस्कार नमस्कार. बेळगावच्या ऑडियन्स तुम्हाला बघताय आणि तुमच्या बिल्डिंग पण बघताय. विशाल इन्फ्रा बिल्ड, द बिल्डिंग विच इज कमिंग अप विथ पोरोथम. सर, आम्हाला तुम्ही थोडंसं तुमच्या कंपनी बद्दल बॅकग्राऊंड देऊ शकता का प्लीज?
हो, आम्ही कन्स्ट्रक्शन लाईन मध्ये विशालच्या नावाने 2003 मध्ये आलो आणि प्रत्येक वर्षी नवीन काहीतरी करावं म्हणून ह्या बेळगाव मध्ये जे काही मिळत नव्हतं कस्टमरला ते आम्ही द्यायचा प्रयत्न आजपर्यंत करत आहे. आणि डे बाय डे बेटर करायचं असं आमचं कंपनीचं एक विचार आहे. त्याप्रमाणे बेळगावमध्ये आम्ही बरेच असे लँडमार्क प्रोजेक्ट दिलेले आहेत. जसं आता संस्कृती पाम्स आहे, 70 बंगल्याची कॉलनी केली आहे. तिथं आम्ही एन्व्हायरमेंटच्या ह्याला धरून रेन वॉटर हार्वेस्टिंग केलेलं आहे. पावसाचं पाणी एक थेंब सुद्धा आम्ही गटरला सोडत नाही आणि वर्षभर जे वापरलेलं पाणी सुद्धा आहे ते पण आम्ही सिवेज ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट लावलेला आहे आणि वापरलेलं पाणी सुद्धा आम्ही सर्व झाडांना आणि गार्डनला वापरत आहे. तर आणि त्याच्या अगोदर आम्ही एक सृष्टी प्रोजेक्ट केला होता, तो पण लँडमार्क झालेला आहे. आणि या संस्कृती सुद्धा आम्हाला कर्नाटका क्रीडाईने 2010 ला अवॉर्ड दिलेला आहे. बेस्ट प्रोजेक्ट इन नॉर्थ कर्नाटका. फर्स्ट 10 मजलीचा स्कायपाथ प्रोजेक्ट केला, तो पण अति सुंदर केलेला आहे. त्या प्रोजेक्टला सुद्धा क्रीडाई कर्नाटकाने आम्हाला 2 अवॉर्ड मिळालेले आहेत बेस्ट इन नॉर्थ कर्नाटका.
वाह, छान छान. म्हणजे
तिथं
तुमच्या
आमच्या प्रत्येक काय काय छान देता येतं ते आम्ही फॉलो करत असतो. प्रत्येक प्रोजेक्टला आम्ही रेन वॉटर हार्वेस्टिंग केलेलं आहे. जागा घेतल्याबरोबर आम्ही मोठी मोठी झाडं आणून लावतो आणि त्याच्यामुळे लोक जे ग्राहक येतात ते पण फार संतुष्ट आहेत आणि पॉझिटिव्ह आहेत. त्यांना सुद्धा आनंद मिळत असतो. आणि आम्ही ह्या स्काय सिटी होम हे अफोर्डेबल हाऊस करायचा असा विचार घेतला आणि ते आम्ही त्याप्रमाणे काय काय स्ट्रक्चरमध्ये कमी करून शिपोरक्स विटा वापरायचा असा विचार होता आणि ते लाईट वेट आम्ही स्ट्रक्चर केलं होतं. पण शिपोरक्स मला हे डायजेस्ट होत नव्हतं. माझ्या मनाला पटत नव्हतं. पण आता स्ट्रक्चरल केलेलं आहे, कामाला सुरुवात केलेली आहे, कसं करायचा हा विचार होता. पण जसं आम्ही निसर्गाला काही देतो तसं निसर्ग सुद्धा आम्हाला देतं. आणि त्यावेळेला विनर बर्गर कंपनीच्या पुरोतम विटा कंपनीचे माणसं माझ्याकडे घेऊन आले. त्या मी पाहिल्या आणि मला बरं वाटलं विटा बघून आणि मनाला एक वेगळा आनंद आला की शिपुरच्या लाईट वेट प्रमाणे त्या विटा आहेत आणि त्या का वापरू नये. मग आम्ही तुमच्या कंपनीला येऊन भेटलो, तुमची फॅक्टरी बघितली. फॅक्टरी बघून बरं वाटलं की ह्या मातीच्या विटाच तुम्ही त्या एक थराला जाऊन गरम करून त्या छान आहेत. त्याच्यानंतर आम्ही बेंगलोरला तुमचे काही ऑनगोईंग प्रोजेक्ट आहेत जे अपार्टमेंट काम करतं. प्रॅक्टिकली आम्ही तिथं जाऊन बघितलं की कोणत्या पद्धतीनं हे काम होतं. प्लंबिंग, इलेक्ट्रिकल, बाकी इतर गोष्टी ज्या आहेत त्या पाहिल्या आणि आम्हाला ते डायजेस्ट झालं आणि मग आम्ही वापरायला सुरुवात केलेली आहे.
छान छान. आता कर्नाटकामध्ये, नॉर्थ कर्नाटका किंवा बेळगावी मध्ये खूप डेव्हलपमेंट होते आहे. फास्ट लेवलवर डेव्हलपमेंट होते आहे. ऑलरेडी बेळगावी, हुबली, धारवाड हे स्मार्ट सिटीज मध्ये इन्क्लूड झाले आहे. तर
बरोबर.
तर तुम्ही काय सांग, म्हणजे ह्या डेव्हलपमेंटसाठी काय गरजेचे आहे जेणेकरून डेव्हलपमेंट पण होईल आणि नेचर किंवा एन्व्हायरमेंट पण सांभाळलं जाईल.
कसं आहे, आता स्मार्ट सिटी मध्ये बेळगाव आहे आणि त्याप्रमाणे बेळगावचं व्हायब्रंट डेव्हलपमेंट होत आहे. बेळगाव एक 6 महिन्याच्या अगोदर वेगळं असतं आणि आज एक वेगळं आहे आणि 6 महिन्यानंतर जर तुम्ही आला तर ते वेगळं तुम्हाला बेळगावचं स्वरूप दिसेल. ह्या डेव्हलपमेंटच्या बरोबर, व्हायब्रंट बेळगावच्या बरोबर एन्व्हायरमेंटला सुद्धा आपण धरून गेलोच पाहिजे. पुढे जाऊन एन्व्हायरमेंटला आपण जे जे काही चांगल्या पद्धतीनं देता येतं, जसं रेन वॉटर हार्वेस्टिंग आहे, झाडी आहे, आता जसं तुमच्या पूर्वतम ब्रिक्स आहे की याला पूर्वतम ब्रिक्स ज्यांनी वापरले किंवा आम्ही वापरलं, आम्ही आता वापरत आहे, ते तापमान जर बाहेरचं तापमान आणि आतलं तापमान जर पाहिला तर त्याला खूप फरक पडतो आणि तुम्हाला उद्या ह्या एसीची गरज लागणार नाही असं ते मला वाटतं. त्याप्रमाणे ते तापमान असं कमी प्रमाणात आहे.
गुड गुड. थँक्यू विजय साहेब, पाटील साहेब, थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. मी थँक्यू सर. मी राज ठाकूर साहेबांचं क्विकली इंट्रोडक्शन देतो की राज ठाकूर साहेबांबद्दल, ते पण आपल्या बरोबर जॉईन झाले. हिअर वी हॅव अनदर एक्सपर्ट who has been using Porotham and who has constructed several buildings, not one, several buildings, educational institutions with using Porotham. He is Mr. Raj Thakur Raj Purohit, Managing Director of Agastya Nirman Private Limited. He has been in this business since 2009, last 11 years. His major clientele is Jain Group of Institution, and also in residential and infrastructural projects he has been instrumental in giving his contribution. Major ongoing projects at Belgavi, Davangere, Hubli and Jamshedpur as well, constructed more than 1 million square feet of space. You can see some of his creations in educational as well as in hospitality industry. So Raj Thakur Sahib, can you kindly introduce Agastya Private Limited to the audience, please? Raj Thakur ji.
कुंदन म्यूट आहे त्यांचं.
Raj Thakur ji, can you kindly unmute?
Fine, sir. Hello.
Sir, आपका mute था शायद. You had
Sorry.
muted.
Sorry.
So
Hello.
I was asking that can you kindly introduce Agastya Private Limited, Agastya Nirman Private Limited to the audience today?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure, sir. Thank you. Sir, we started our Agastya Nirman in the year of 2009, sir. And we were associated with Jain Group of Institution. Our initial projects were with Jain Group of Institution. We had achieved almost on an average yearly 1 lakh plus square feet of construction. And we have done our projects in Davangere, Belgaum, Hubli, and recently we are having project of Jain University in Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. And 3 years back we have done one multi-specialty hospital, that is Venugram Hospital. Along with that we have done one 60-room hotel, that is Native by Chantry, Belgaum only. That is also
Right.
Executed by our team only, sir. And we have used all
Excellent.
Vinabagar ka Porotam blocks, all the major. We are associated with Vinabagar from last 6 years. And
Excellent.
because of that, we are able to achieve and complete the project at very less this thing. For example, this Native by Chance, this hotel full we had done in the span of 13 months, sir. That was almost more than 9,000 square feet.
Oh, I mean, I had an opportunity to see the hotel after completion and during construction also. So it's
Yes,
a massive hotel. It's quite big hotel.
Yes, sir. Your expertise were
140 rooms.
provided to us, sir. It was, we were like very lucky to have you over there, and your experience we had used over there, sir. And same thing was given this thing for our multi-specialty hospital, that is Venugram 100-bedded hospital. That was also achieved in the span of 18 months. So also one this thing achievement for us. Meanwhile, one big challenge was for this our engineering college at Udyambag. 85,000 square feet we were able to achieve in the span of 9 months, sir, because of
Excellent.
this thing. Yes, sir.
So now, just posing a second insight from you, trying to understand from you, you have extensively worked on various projects, commercial, educational projects. What are some of the influencing factors that you think should decide the walling material, or should be considered to decide a walling material in the project?
Yes, sir. Walling material is very, very important aspect of construction, because it can help you to save costs plus time, and it depends like by using Vinabagar Porotam blocks and all. Nowadays the shortage of labor is too much, and in that what happens,
Right.
we have to, sir, in high-rise building and all, shifting of material and all those things is very difficult because of weight and this thing. So it is like because of light nature, we were able to shift it, and our labor team was also very happy with the support provided by them, timely training on multiple locations, and it was like there are many benefits. For example, I will talk about the conduiting, electrification and all. Earlier, because the structure used to get very distinct,
Right.
sir, because of the cutting and all, sir, the brick and all. There were, we used to get the
Right.
input from our team. It is damaging the walls and all those stuff. But after using Porotam, we were able to, without damaging this thing, our conduiting was very easy. Our masonry team was very happy with that. And many factors, sir.
Good. Any I mean, experience optimizing the structural cost by using light?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. After meeting our structural head, DLK sir, we had consulted with him. He is with us from last almost more than 10 years. And after going through your product, he was like very happy, and he almost, we can say, we were able to save this thing. Optimization was there with the steel. It was almost 5 to 6% this was saving was there along with that, we can say. And it was like good. We are able to reduce the steel. Green building product it is, sir. It is like we are able to contribute to the nature.
Great, great, great. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for using the most innovative technology in Belgavi and making it successful as well as far as the building or the structures are concerned. And thanks for sharing your experience. We proceed further uh, on this webinar with some more slides which would put some light onto the various other projects which have been built in. These are not the only projects. We have built, I mean, 5 schools and colleges of Jain Institution, Native Hotel, which was Ravi Shankar Vidya Mandir School, Holy Public School, Vishal Infra Built Residential Apartment, Manjunath and Co. Independent House, schools like Terdal, Janakalyan, Tarun Bharat Trust School, Dasnur and Company, which is also quite well known in Hubli Dharwad. We have built their residential, their own residence as well as commercial complex. So this is some of the photos of other, I mean, reference projects which are built in that region. So this is Ravi Shankar School, which is built. We have our channel partner established in the region, which is like Parth Associates, Sri Sai Associates, and Lotus Enterprises. So what's there for all users when we talk about Porotam? Porotam today stands for quality. It stands for quality. It is well known all across South India as a material known for its quality and consistency as well as availability. Every brick which comes to your site is marked with a batch number, with a brand name and a name of the product as well. It's embossed, so nobody can erase it, or, and that's also the mark to see the originality of the product in the market. It's manufactured at Wienerberger India factory in Kunigal, which is close to around 60 kilometers from Bangalore and probably around 500-550 kilometers from Belgavi. State-of-art manufacturing using the latest technology, manufacturing close to 70,000 blocks per day using robotics. We have recently introduced natural gas in our brick kilns. There is no other walling material or no other brick manufacturing factory in India at least which uses natural gas, reduces carbon emissions by more than 40%, enhance product quality, and its higher efficiency as far as productions are concerned. This makes Porotam more and more green in terms of its carbon emissions as well as residual emissions. How is the clay procured? Where do we procure clay from? One second, I would share my screen. So I'll just quickly take. So this is the quality mark which is being embossed on every brick. What I briefed. I'm sorry, there was some technical glitch. The screen was not able to be viewed by the audience. The Wienerberger India factory, which is at Kunigal, which is around 60-70 kilometers from Bangalore. It's state-of-art manufacturing where Porotam is manufactured. Using the latest technology, robotics is being used. Natural gas, which has been introduced for brick manufacturing, we use our fuel as natural gas and it reduces carbon emissions by more than 40%. It enhances product quality, gives consistency to the product, proper firing curve. I mean, the proper ensures that the bricks are properly fired without leaving any chance for any kind of quality inefficiencies. Where does we procure this clay from? The clay is procured from lake beds or tank clay, which is nothing but the lakes which have been completely silted by soil or clay, we desilt those lakes and we use it for, the clay is used for manufacturing of bricks. So every brick you use, you are contributing directly to the refurbishment of the lake within the region, within the state. We use no toxic chemicals, not a single toxic chemical or cement is being used in manufacturing. No color pigment is used in manufacturing of these bricks. It's IGBC rated, it's Griha rated. You see transformation, maintaining the ecology and balance, how it happens. The lake earlier, the dead lake bed, which only stored or only had soil or clay within, is now revived with water storage and the lake goes back to the environment. Some of the apartments which are built across South India, across state, with using Porotham, high-rise buildings, individual homes. I would like to talk about this home. This is a home which was built by a limited amount of budget. It was an affordable house which was built by architect Ego Design Studio, and it was built with very limited budget. So it's not that Porotham has to be used only for the high-end villas or high-end houses or apartments. It can very well be used for even affordable housing. We are already participating in Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana for constructing several houses in affordable housing as well. So this is a product which is not only affordable for construction purpose, but also for operational cost. The living cost within that house is also affordable because you don't have to use air conditioners and artificial cooling is not required. Gives you sufficient amount of light, ventilation. This is a school in Chennai, which was Krishnamurti Foundation India School, completely with Porotham. Jain Heritage School in Belgavi, which was built with Porotham. This was built by Agastya Nirman Private Limited itself. We would like to introduce, I am very happy to introduce Ventilayer, which is lattice bricks or Jali bricks. This is the first market where we are introducing it as Ventilayer bricks. Ventilayer clay ventilation screen bricks. It stands for its quality, strength, stability, color and finish. You would get very uniform color in this and it's very architect friendly. Some of the projects where Jali is used or Ventilayer kind of applications are being already used, which prompted us as well as encouraged us to introduce this product to the market. It's Jali application bricks. India showroom, which is in Bangalore, Karnataka, and we also have roof tiles, which we manufacture roof tiles in clay. We have facades which we manufacture in clay. You can see our contact details below. You can contact us for any kind of query pertaining to walling or clay facade, clay roofs, and we would be happy to serve you. Now you can, we are at the end of our session, so I would request you to post your questions or answers, whichever you have pertaining to the topic, onto the Q&A chat session. You would like to have Q&A? If any. Is Porotham has more validity as compared to any other bricks in terms of longevity or in terms of sustainability? Yes, Porotham is certainly valid for longer life because it's natural, it's made of clay, it's fired at the right temperatures, so it can give you more life as compared to any other bricks. Dr. Chandrasekhara CP has posted, can these bricks be placed on aluminum sheets? Sir, I would like to personally understand the use, but yes, these bricks are also used for filler slabs, where the bricks were used onto a galvanized sheets on galvanized sheets, and then made the slab lighter and used, but it has to be designed by a structural engineer. We have several projects in Pune which we have done. We can share the details. This is a question from Namrata Nagre. We can certainly share the details of Pune projects with you. If you can post us your email ID, please, we can send some photos or share as well. Porotam versus AAC blocks, as I mentioned, the strength in Porotam is very high and it's uncomparable, close to any other walling material. Also, water absorption is very, very low, which is very ideal for any walling material. Densities are the same, so weight is the same as far as lightweight walling material is concerned. And also the drying behavior is very fast in Porotam. So even if the brick gets wet during rainy seasons, it will dry soon, faster. So I see that Namrata madam is from Kolte Patil. We have already contacted Kolte Patil, but in Bangalore, and we will certainly get in touch with you, madam, over this. Yes, Porotam bricks are available in Pune as well, and it's readily available. I mean, for all these projects, what you saw or what you witnessed, the delivery time would be close to 48 hours once you place the order. So it's very fast and immediate.
I think there's another question where someone wanted to know if it's available in Hubli and Dharwad. Kundan, could you please address this products?
Yes, bricks are very much readily available in Hubli and Dharwad. We have our channel partners in Hubli and Dharwad. One is Sri Sai Associates and one is Lotus. We have shared their contact details. If you can post your question, we will share particular contact details of our channel partners as well, where you can readily access and purchase the bricks across the counters. What I get is the galvanized roof is like the tiles roof shapes and slopes in all 4 directions. Can these Porotam tiles be placed over and above existing roof? We have roof tiles, you can certainly place it. We call it, I mean, we have it in Koramic and Tondak brand, and you can use it as a roof tile. It is leakage proof and you would not have any kind of leakage within down, and it's made of clay. Yes, Porotam, are they safe for load bearing construction? Yes, Porotam, I mean the amount of strength, we are talking of close to 9 MPa, the strength, which is like 90 kg per centimeter square or 9 newtons per mm square. That kind of strength today, there is hardly any other walling material which when we compare against these kind of strengths, it is Porotam VP. It's an anonymous attendee who has, question. So we can certainly share the details of the bricks as well with you. The roof tile, I mean, Dr. Chandrasekhar, where it is available for visiting or witnessing the roof tiles. So the showroom is in Bangalore, but we can certainly send you some images of the sites which are completed. We will connect with you shortly. Any other questions from? So thank you very much. Thank you participants. Patil Sahib, thank you. Raj Thakur Sahib, Raj Purohit Sahib, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for making the panelists, sir, and sharing your experience.
Thank you, sir. Your experience is very valid. If somebody wants to visit your projects, can we ask them to certainly?
Anytime, they can do, sir. They can do.
Sure. Patil Sahib, thank you very much.
वेलकम सर.
Namaskar. Thank you very much.
नमस्कार.
Thank you, audience. We had very good response. Thank you so much. Is it mandatory to plaster Porotam brick walls? No, it is not mandatory to consider plastering for Porotam brick walls. You can keep it exposed as well. We leave the webinar session now, and you can still connect us on our emails, and we can certainly be happy to serve you further on these informations. Thank you so much.